channel. This is the first video of the new series that I'm starting on my channel. I will be posting these on Thursdays for next 2 months. There will be a different form of a travel vlog video. These are all organizationals. Once I do return from all of my trips, I will be doing travel vlogs as well, but I have a feeling I will be posting those on Wednesdays. So the first one, well, first I would like to welcome you to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And so the first video is about the electronics that I will be packing for my trip. We're going to Europe for a couple weeks, so and I might have to work from there, so I wanted to come prepared, but a lot of it will be more for fun, the reason why I'm taking these electronics. So let's get started to see what I'm packing. So first important thing for, I think, for traveling anywhere, but especially to Europe, for us, is to remember to take the charger with adapters. So those are these ones, because Europe does use different electricity plugins. So I have picked these up at Amazon, and so I picked one up for my husband and me, because it has four USB and then 3 of these plugs, so that should be enough for my husband and I to charge our stuff like cameras, laptops, phones, watches, whatnot in there. And then it had, like I said, came with a whole bunch of different adapters for different types of electricity. So let me just show you one of them, what it looks like. This is not for, well, it might be, but I wasn't quite sure which one's for which. I will have to ask my dad which one's which. But anyway, so this one is, and I think it does actually say on the instructions. So this just plugs inside of this one. Oh, I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand. It doesn't look like. Let me see if I can center it somehow. There. So I think it goes in like that. Yep, like that. So then it adapts for different electricity. So these are really handy to have. I'm not sure if you can use these on a cruise ship, because last time we went on a cruise, some people had said that the power bars were not allowed. So I had actually picked up a different one that only had USBs, but I'm not happy with it because it has a little light that keeps flashing. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. So, but anyway, so we will be using these. So like I said, I picked up one for my husband and I to share, and one for my kids to share. So that, I think, should be one of the important things to bring along. Now, if you're not packing any of these electronics, you won't need that one. So tablet, I put some movies on here, and some games, just to make my flight pass faster. It's about 8.5 hour flight, and I like using these, which came also from Amazon. They're pretty protective cases for the phone, and I spilled some wine on it. So anyhow, so that's that. And then I don't have a selfie stick, but I do use this one. It just makes me hold my phone in it pretty without shaking it, and also helps me to prevent my finger constantly showing in the camera. So, and this thing comes off and you can attach a camera to it. So that's a handy tool to have if you are doing a lot of recording videos or whatnot. So, and then my computer, laptop. So this is a compartment for your charger or a mouse, and then same idea, same type of a protection. So, and I have backup for on my iCloud and on Google Photos, so I should be good without bringing any external backup. So that's for that. And then I also have, and I thought this was fitting for the electronics, I have my Apple Watch, and then in here I have all of my Apple Watch supplies, so different bands, different faces, things like that to interchange. So it's just because I am going for a while, I wanted to kind of have a variety for there, and it doesn't take up that much space. And then another thing, I will be taking a book, but I also loaded up a lot of books on my Kobo. This is Kobo Glow, so you can you don't need a light, but for my book I am packing this light, and this light I picked up at Chapters or Indigo. So I know that I could put my books on a Kobo app on my tablet, but this one I can see outside, whereas that one I can't. So if I'm sitting on a beach and I want to read a book, it's really hard for me to see it on there. And this one's a lot cheaper than that one, so if I'm taking it to the beach, I prefer to take something cheaper just in case. So, and then I am packing 2 different cameras. This one is my Sony camera, and the strap doesn't fit into it, but I can zip up all the way until the strap, and I'm just putting it in this little camera bag. I have a big one, but I've decided to do 2 separate small ones, so when I'm out and about I don't have to lug the big camera bag. And then I also have a waterproof camera, which is the Nikon, and with a waterproof strap. So I will be packing all of that. Then the chargers are important, so don't forget the chargers to go with your cameras, and the cables as well. But this is where I just want to kind of show you what this looks like. Most likely I will fill all the compartments because I have my phone, my iPod, my iPad, my oh, that's what I'm missing here is my iPod, and my again, I have an iPod that I'll take to the beach with me. I'm not gonna take my phone with me. It's a lot cheaper to listen to music on than to bring my phone, which is an attraction to get stolen. So, and I'm not sure whether things will get stolen, but rather be safe than sorry. So yeah, so headphones, charging cables, so I'll have my iPhone, iPod, probably iPad, the phone charger, an iPod, and an iPad can be all the same. I'll probably just bring 2 different cables. And then over here I have my I'll just take it out. I'm sure you guys have seen it, but it's an external battery, and these things are pretty handy to have. So you want to have it fully charged so you can use it on a plane. This one you can use on a plane. There's some that you can bring on a plane, so but this one I double checked and you can, and I've brought it already a few times. So yeah, and you want to make sure that you have a charger for that in there. So yeah, so then there's a couple, I'll have a couple different SD cards in here, external battery for my phone, my big camera. So like I said, you just want to you want to make sure that all your chargers are packed. And I picked this little organizer at Amazon for like $7, and I thought it was pretty handy to have. I used to put everything in here, but then it would all get tangled up. So, and I will be putting all of this into my carry-on. I might put maybe a camera into my husband's carry-on, and that will just go in my checked-in bag. I don't need that. But you have to put all your, I think you have to, but I'm not 100% sure, but I thought you had to put all your laptops and things. And why would you want to pack all that in a checked-in bag? I would be too scared it was going to get broken. But anyway, so I will be putting all of this except that in a checked-in bag. In a carry-on, and that goes in a checked-in bag. Well, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, have a wonderful day.